Hello everybody. So here we are. I'm making a place today and I think this is a really good one. There's two pelicans and the shape between them is the place. And the reason I've chosen the place as the flatfish is because of the spots, because I think it's funnier basically. And I've made these special orange marini tiny ones to act as the spots. I think he's looking good. He's sort of in on the joke. He doesn't look too upset. And so where do I get the idea from? Well, one idea leads to another really. So I've just finished this one with the two pelicans smiling at each other. But if you look carefully, you'll see that their teeth are in fact fish. And in drawing that, I also drew this one. And I like them both equally. So I'm making both of them. It's pretty much as simple as that. So yeah, there we go. Watch this space.